The latest Dublin Economic Monitor suggests that the capital entered 2026 from a position of relative strength, but against an increasingly uncertain global backdrop. Dublin's economy closed out 2025 on a solid footing. Business activity strengthened towards the end of the year, with expansion across services and construction. Consumer spending has remained healthy, retail activity is holding up, and tourism demand continues to perform well. Overseas visitors are still spending strongly in the city, which is helping sustain momentum across hospitality, retail, and the wider urban economy. Housing delivery has also accelerated. Completions in Dublin rose sharply during the final quarter of the year, bringing total output for 2025 to just over 14,000 homes. That represents a meaningful step forward in increasing supply, although the gap between housing demand and delivery remains substantial. However, the data also suggests the economy is entering a more moderated phase of growth. Parts of the labour market are beginning to cool slightly, employment growth has eased, and recruitment activity is no longer expanding at the pace seen in recent years. At the same time, the foreign direct investment environment has softened somewhat, reflecting a more cautious global investment climate. That global context matters. Rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East have introduced renewed uncertainty into energy markets, with oil prices showing increased volatility in recent days and weeks. For a small, open economy like Ireland, external shocks of that nature can feed quickly into inflation expectations, transport costs, and business sentiment. Taken together, the signals are consistent with an economy moving from a rapid post-pandemic expansion into a steadier and more balanced phase. The challenge now is to convert resilience into longer-term momentum. That means maintaining Dublin's international competitiveness, continuing to scale up housing delivery, and ensuring the city remains an attractive destination for both domestic and international investment. In short, the fundamentals remain solid. But in a more uncertain global environment, sustaining Dublin's growth story will increasingly depend on the policy choices made today.